If you talk to the folks at Feeding South Dakota, they will tell you that food is medicine. And that's exactly how Dusty Johnson is hoping to approach SNAP in his effort to be South Dakota's next governor.
And one thing we can do to drive down healthcare costs is make sure that we're all living healthier lives.
Johnson says his Real Food, Real Freedom plan would remove certain items that are currently SNAP eligible from the list in the state.
So we want to make sure that those dollars are being directed away from candy bars and soda pop and toward eggs, meat, vegetables, and fruit. Now, we're not cutting the SNAP benefit at all. We're just redirecting those dollars toward healthier solutions.
His plan also aims to bolster local meat and produce, hoping to cut down on red tape.
Not all of the food that's going to be on our plate is going to come from South Dakota, but we know when it comes to beef, bison, poultry, pork, these are great proteins that South Dakotans can absolutely provide, and particularly in our school lunches.
Although supportive of Johnson's efforts to push for healthy alternatives, Democratic gubernatorial candidate Robert Arnold says the plan seems like an administrative nightmare and that the state should focus on opening the program to warm meals.
When people think of the main issue with SNAP in my circles, it's mostly the having a problem getting warm food. And that way there would be less people trying to sell that food because they buy it warm.
Johnson's fellow Republican candidates also weighed in on his plan. Current Speaker of the South Dakota House, John Hanson, says he's glad to see the congressmen get on board. And Aberdeen businessman Toby Doden touched on his childhood experience on SNAP, aligning with Johnson's idea that SNAP should not be used to purchase junk food. Johnson says his efforts will include opening the conversation with nutritionists, store owners, and vendors to help craft the federal waiver. In Sioux Falls, Grant Green, Dakota News Now.